My friend Veronica just posted the dress I got her. Honestly, when I placed the order, I knew she would love it. And it's not just bestie intuition. SHEIN has given me a perfect formula for picking out the perfect gift. Want to know how I did it? Finding the perfect gift has always been a challenge, especially when you know your friend may need a dress for the New Year's party. In the past, you had to guess what she'd like through conversations, memories, or any little hints she may have dropped, and make sure you could locate the specific item in physical stores. But now, SHEIN makes the process so much easier. No guesswork required. All you have to do is open your SHEIN app, tap the camera icon in the search bar, and upload a photo of your friend's favorite item. In just a few seconds, SHEIN will suggest clothes that are similar in style. So remember this hack the next time you're on the hunt for something with the same look. But let's be honest, who really wants a copy of something they already own? So one hack I use is to always pick one item from the visual search results and scroll straight to the "You may also like" section. SHEIN recommends pieces that other shoppers usually browse after clicking on an item, so you'll see more styles that match what you're looking for. It's an easier way to find pieces you'll actually love, and it's not just clothing. You can also browse bags, shoes, and even jewelry here. All of them would look amazing on her. That's because SHEIN actually offers new styles based on real-time insights from shoppers. Instead of mass-producing clothes months in advance, every style starts with an initial batch of 100 to 200 pieces. If it starts selling well and getting good reviews, then production scales. This production model not only focuses more on what consumers want, but also aims to reduce the excess inventory of clothing and fabric that is often associated with traditional production models. Well, they all have great ratings and sales, but I'll go with this one because the reviews say it's perfect for parties with friends. And when you're getting a gift for someone, they not only have to like it, but it also needs to be something that would fit your budget. Formal dresses tend to cost more because satin, beadwork, and sequined fabrics need more controlled production conditions. That's why I always go back to SHEIN. I can find what I'm looking for, and the prices are affordable. I just know my friend is going to love it. Not only because she'll look like a star at the party, but also because she'll feel super comfy. SHEIN tests items like this dress at different stages of the production process, from the raw fabric to the finished garment. Some of the satin suppliers even redesigned their workbenches to keep tools stored neatly, so the production stays clean. These small details help maintain consistent quality across every piece. As for affordable prices, well, that ties in with what I'm about to show you next. Let's start with a simple question. How am I supposed to fit this dress into this tiny gift box? Exactly. Fold it, then tuck this little bag of jewelry around it to fill the remaining space. I can even slip in a greeting card and a few Polaroids to create a little surprise for my bestie. And ta-da! Every bit of space counts. And just like how I make every bit of space in that gift box count, the team at SHEIN takes a similar approach when it comes to garment production by looking at different ways to make the most of the resources it has, especially when it comes to processes involving more premium fabrics like satin. In traditional garment production, the pattern layout is set directly based on the garment design. It's a simple and convenient way of doing things, but it can leave a lot of unused fabric behind, which leads to waste, which translates to more cost. And that's where SHEIN's Center of Innovation for Garment Manufacturing, or CIGM for short, comes in. When a new design comes in, the teams at the CIGM analyze how to improve the fabric utilization before they start cutting the fabric. They look at things like the print layout, center back seam, and the natural direction of the fabric weave. All the tiny technical details that most people never notice, but are the ones that can make a big difference. Take this dress as an example. Adding a center back seam meant shorter fabric lengths could be used for each piece. According to the CIGM's internal calculation, this adjustment increased fabric utilization by over 28%, saving 0.7 meters of fabric per dress. That's about $1.20 in cost savings each time the dress is made. Since its launch in 2023, CIGM has developed 170 individual tools and provided over 6,000 of these units to SHEIN suppliers. These innovations don't just keep prices affordable, they also empower suppliers to work more efficiently and contribute towards creating a more circular fashion ecosystem. Okay, let's finish packing. All right, that's my secret to giving the perfect gift. It's also why SHEIN is able to create the pieces you'll love without the hefty price tags. Hope you learned some tips and tricks to become a better gifter this season. If you don't want to miss any behind the scenes content, hit subscribe and save our SHEIN 101 playlist to your watch list. For even more exclusive updates and insights, you can visit SHEINgroup.com.